How to translate tweets on the X app. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how you can translate your Twitter posts or captions in the post. So the first thing you can do is simply open up Twitter or the X application and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're logged in, just find the tweet or the post that you want to translate. So in my case, I'll just go to the search bar and then search for this account. It's Korean mostly, so if you want to translate language from other translate languages to English, you can first go ahead and tap on the post, and once you tap on it, you'll find an option to translate post right here on top. Currently, Twitter is using Grok AI to translate these posts. So as you can see here, the translation is done by Grok. Now you can just tap on show original if you want. That's completely up to you. So I'll just scroll down a bit and do it one more time. Tap on translate post and the translation is completed. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.